In this video, I'll guide you through how to bold text in Microsoft Planner. If you use Planner to track tasks, projects, or teamwork, you've probably noticed that making certain information stand out can be really helpful. Bold text is a simple way to highlight key details, draw attention to deadlines, or make instructions easier to scan. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to format your notes so they're clearer and more effective. First, open your web browser and sign into your Microsoft account the way you normally do. This might be through your organization's portal or directly through the main Microsoft sign-in page. Once you're logged in, navigate to Microsoft Planner. You might get there from the app launcher in the top left corner of the screen or by going directly to the Planner web address, depending on how you usually access it. When Planner opens, look over to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a section that includes an option called My Plans. Go ahead and click on My Plans. This area lists all of the plans you're a part of, whether they're personal, team-based, or project-specific. It's essentially your home base for everything you're managing in Planner. Next, from the list of plans that appears, select the plan you want to work with. Just click once on the name of the plan. Planner will open that plan and display all of its buckets and tasks in the main part of the screen. Take a moment to locate the specific task where you want to add or format notes. Once you see the task you want to edit, click on it. This will open the task details panel, usually on the right-hand side of the screen. In this panel, you can see and edit things like the task title, assigned users, due date, checklist items, attachments, and of course the notes area. Now scroll down within the task details until you find the notes section. This is where you can add more context, instructions, or any important information related to that task. Click inside the notes box to place your cursor there. Type in your desired notes for the task. You can add whatever content you need, a brief description, a set of instructions, or important reminders. Don't worry about formatting just yet. The main thing is to get your text written out first. When you're happy with what you've typed, you're ready to make it bold. To apply bold formatting to all of the text in the notes section, you'll first need to select it. Click once inside the notes area, then press Ctrl and A on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut, Ctrl+A, selects all the text in that field. With everything selected, press Ctrl and B together, that's Ctrl+B. This is the standard keyboard shortcut for bold formatting in many Microsoft apps, including Planner. After you press it, you should see your notes switch to bold text, making them stand out more clearly inside the task. That's all there is to it. You've logged into Planner, opened your plan, chosen a task, added notes, and used Ctrl+A followed by Ctrl+B to bold your text. You can repeat these same steps for any other task where you want to emphasize important information.